Welcome to the Upper Live Show. You know, I'm very excited right now to introduce this guest right now this week. He's a person that whenever he comes on the show, I have to be very, very specific in the words that I say. So I won't be mentioning too much things right now. I'm just going to introduce this act right here. Stylaa Britsh is on the Upper Live Show.
Welcome, brother.
Welcome. Was that a good introduction?
Yeah, man, everything go on, man.
Yeah, because I'm a big skeptic with the words I have to use. Because if I say anything like, if I mention the number 2 and those things.
Alright, here what I'm going now. At the in thing, you know. You see me? Not say you can't talk the way you know to talk.
Yeah.
But when you're in a certain atmosphere, you have to fix it up. You see me?
You see what I'm trying to say?
Real way, cause a millennium thing, brother, it changed. You see
This
me?
person always give a joke.
It's like, for example, just an example.
Yeah.
You call the Britsh on the phone and you say, yo, brother, you know come. It's so now weird.
What's wrong with saying that as if
You
I call
see
my
me?
friend
Yeah.
and saying that if he's not coming?
You see me, but if I call the Britsh, you know, and say, yo, brother, what you say, you're still a forward? Yeah, it sound fixed up. You can call your girl and say, yeah,
No.
come.
But this is why he's saying people. I basically, if my friends,
Yeah.
and I can't call my friend to say, listen, are you coming to see me anymore? Is that what you're saying?
No, that's why I said you can. But sometimes it's where you want and the time you do it. You see me? But I just say in thing. And for example, put it away.
Yeah.
I'm more likely artist thing. Because obviously you're an artist. So at certain field you have to set the example where you have to know where you're set to in it. For example, you can.
We're gonna have a long night. Yeah, that's basically what he said. We're gonna have a
man.
long night.
A simple thing, man.
But anyway, let's get back to protocol. Stylaa Britsh is here,
Yeah.
and we need to catch up from the last time because the last time we had you on set was when we were on.
About 1 year now?
It's about a year now on the radio.
Yeah, hard to love really.
Yeah.
Yeah, I
It's been
remember
a while.
that. Been a long while. But that day I enjoyed that interview, to be honest.
Yeah, it was a very good. It was a very good interview.
It never long, it never short, but
Yeah.
it's alright, isn't it?
But in terms of your music, because recently, as a matter of fact, last night I was in an event and we tried to play one of your songs.
Yeah.
But it's like one of the strangest feeling because I try to play the song and it's just not playing. But it still have a vibe still.
Yeah, here we go. You see that song that you play now, which is Girl
But the girl is for life.
yeah, Girl is for life. That song that been vibes about 2 years now
Yeah.
at LOC Studio, that's Orthodox.
Yeah.
Big up my like Lanky Ride, same speed.
That boss.
You see me? Baby Chris, yeah, same speed. But yeah, when I was at LOC,
Yeah.
I voiced that song with a rhythm by Orthodox producing it. So me that the only artist on the rhythm and I voice the song now and start playing on the radio and realize the people them love it.
Yeah, because how I come across the song,
Yeah.
I have the song on my hard drive. Can I say hard drive?
Yeah,
Yeah.
talk, man.
I was on a song on my hard drive and I was going through it. I made the song and I'm like, I like the entry how it come in
Yeah.
and then the rhythm just kicks in after and I'm like, yeah, that song yeah.
Alright, to be honest, I didn't really take that song as serious as how I should. Else, I think if I did,
Yeah.
it'd have been on a different level right now. Cause like, you know when a man say I'm gonna run with that song,
Yeah.
I never run with the song.
He just did it as one of them ones. that
Yeah,
it's just,
cause like to be honest, I never stop voice. You get me? I always try to find the time for their studio and try to put in the work, but you know doing dancehall music in England a double work.
yeah, cause yeah.
You get me? And it's a game where you have to study the game and know the ins and outs. And like, forget up out your bed and say, I'll go studio, and then voice the song, and then get this producer for it. Well, if mix,
Yeah,
master, get
master
them to
and
play
everything.
up on the radio, the selector for play it, then, you know, say England you're there. The world needs to hear the song as well.
Yeah, but the problem is,
Yeah.
well, this is where we're trying to fix the issue is because we're in England recording here.
Yeah.
Why is it a problem for you getting your music featured here? What is the obstacle? What's the main obstacles?
Alright. Me talk about my beer and
Yeah.
my experience, yeah? Like, alright, you have very good producers here. For example, I can call name. You have my like Smooth Face, big up Smooth Face.
Yeah.
Yeah. I you have Genesis, yeah, you have Swagger, you have a few producers. You get me? You have enough bad artists, yeah. You see me, but I think the problem is we ain't getting as much support.
Why is that though? Because everyone's saying the
Like,
same thing. Why
I
is it?
think, let me tell you what the problem as well. You see this UK artist when them put power name, I
Yeah.
think that's why not really, they're not taking things serious. Like, I think I'm gonna see we as a dancehall artist, like, yeah, we're a dancehall artist. But it's when they put the UK artist on the name, it's like it don't make it look serious, like we're not the same mission. Like, it's two different things. For example, you will hear music I play on the radio, yeah?
Yeah.
And if a selector really say I'm gonna play some UK artist song as well, then put it.
Yeah.
Him play it separate from the rest of mix.
Yeah.
Like, not say you, cause I know you play.
No, you can't say
you
me.
get me,
Come on,
but
you can.
like,
It's
he
alright.
must stop. Not say I'm gonna mix in the song them with the normal dancehall song them.
Yeah.
It's like him pause the part there and play all of the UK artists and by itself, and then go back to the normal mixing. Why? Go forward.
No, I'm not.
Yes, and
listen.
so
I can explain that from a DJ point of view. You see, some of the UK artists songs that they give to me,
yeah.
they're on some different rhythms. So basically, a normal rhythm, juggling rhythm in dancehall is between say 98 BPM to 105,
Yeah.
106 BPM. So if you have those BPM, it's easy to go into a juggling section where the party is live. You can drop your songs them in there and it's no problem. But normally when a UK artist give me it, sometimes it's the BPM is like 87, 79 or some off key beat that's not like the same. So it's hard for you to drop it into the mix.
You think that's the only problem, though?
That is not, no, that is one of the problems that I face.
Okay.
I try to play them as much as possible.
Okay.
The world know that I play them, but sometimes I see other DJs struggling as well, and they're like saying to themselves that they don't want to play the UK artists because it's probably gonna kill the vibe that they're working for, and you know it's a dog eat dog world.
Yeah, which is right.
So
Which
that
is
is
right.
my experience. I'm not
But
defending anybody.
to be honest, I don't know about no other artists. I know about me, yeah.
Yeah.
That just make me want to do it more.
There you go.
know want to play my song?
But this is
Me gonna make you want
This-
to play
this-
my song.
this is what I said to myself
That
this morning.
just give me a different drive for go at it because I don't like me as a shit artist. I have me know I'm capable of. You get me? This is an inborn thing and I like me a try a fight. I know what I can do and I know what I do. So you telling me I try to put like a fork in the road or
Yeah.
a block in the road to say, oh, you're gonna slow down my thing.
I said the same thing to a person.
That's gonna
individual.
make me want to do it more because you want to prove your point, I'm gonna prove my point
Point.
too. You get me, Mr. Brother? So, yeah, I don't mind who want to try and stop it.
Because we were at the same event last night, and
Yeah.
you saw and you heard that I've played so
Yeah.
many UK artists.
And I was
Yeah.
surprised.
Yes.
Can't believe you remember you got that song.
All right. I played your song, and you were even surprised.
Yeah.
I know at the end of my set, someone come up to me and said, "Why I never play any UK artist? Why I never play his song?"
Can I say something?
No,
Yeah.
but this is what I'm trying to get. The point I'm trying to get to is that
Yeah.
there's hundreds of UK artists, and I'm playing maybe it's a 50 of them.
Alright, you see that venue that you was?
Yeah.
You've been there like.
Yeah, I've been here
often,
regulars. Yeah.
Alright. When lost, you heard that someone played my song in that venue.
That's true.
Okay, alright. You see the person who approached you,
Yeah.
them song played before? Or any other night?
Yes, I have.
Okay, but me stand up on here, everybody is song play. Me I'll bust a blank fire.
Yeah.
It's me car. I me that.
Yeah.
Your song a play, all everybody song to play.
Yeah.
You see me, but if my song play one night, why a man feel like say I'm gonna approach and say, oh my song play?
That's the point trying to get to, but I don't really want to go down this this avenue because it seems like we're trying to bash each other. We're trying to. I don't really want to do that. I really want to focus on your music, but we
Which
just
is
got
right.
down this lane because of it's an issue that the whole industry is facing.
Which is
We're
true.
trying to find a way to solve this problem, but it's not something that's going to be addressed over one night or over any 5 minutes interview. But we've shed a little light onto it, and I think we should just leave it to bed and just leave it to that.
True.
But anyway, Stylaa British because I keep mixing the name up with Stylaa G and every time I say that.
To be honest, I know, as me always say, I know you're the first, and it always big up to Stylaa G still.
Yeah.
He's Stylaa G. I'm my own G. This is Stylaa British, right? You get me, but like, I don't want nobody think say
It's the same.
me I look. It's never said the same. I don't want nobody feel like
We had this conversation
you
before.
get me? I'm like say, come on, ring it till on the ears.
Yeah.
And I like me, I look at hype of the artist name or him career. You understand? My name Stylaa British before me even say me I do music.
Yeah.
Big up Nalu. Nalu can tell you. You
Yeah,
understand? Big up Misha, same speed in the building. You understand? But before me start the music, I dance, me I dance. When I say dance from, I start skank.
Yeah.
You understand? And I reach a point where me I say, there's a rhythm in me, but I know I say, hold on. Let me try out for that something, man. And it worked. I met Stylaa G before in his studio. He can tell you as well. Then Smooth Face introduced me to Stylaa G in his studio.
Yeah.
And them times I was doing music. Me that dance them time there. You understand? So it's not like me a follow a man thing, brother. Me I do me. But big up to Stylaa G. This is Stylaa British. You understand? You get me, brother. Alright.
Well, is there any materials that you recorded for this year? Do you have anything new out now?
Like as I said, I never stop vibes. Like me always I represent for the thugs them and the girls them. Big up the ladies them. I never stop vibes song for the same speed. But like me have like 3 girlish songs in my voice. Smooth Face I have a couple of them I mix as well. Big up to Smooth Face. One named 7 Days. The reason why I'm call it 7 Days is like, you know the calendar.
Yeah.
7 days, Monday to
Sunday.
okay, so I say I have my Monday girl to my Sunday girl. You understand? So that's called 7 Days. I have a next one, that rhythm actually,
Yeah.
that 7 Days, the rhythm is actually for Wise Life production.
Wise Life production.
Big up
yeah.
Shanty Force.
Big up Shanty
Big up the
Force.
whole Wise Life promotion, same speed. One done, big up yourself. That rhythm is produced by the Wise Life production.
Yeah.
You have artists like Orthodox, Shanty Force, Folidan, various artists, myself.
Yeah.
Next tune, Rich Girl Feel Poor. That's the next, it's like a soft dancer melody.
Yeah.
One of them something. But yeah, I have a lot of new songs coming up, but I'm not rush it. I get a song them I have a road time for.
Yeah. To people to get used to.
Yeah,
it.
then you get me, brother. So I just have to put in the work and do me after that.
Makes sense.
You see me?
So-
Not jump the fence.
Because the people that out there, especially the females always have an interest in Stylaa Britches. Because if you watch Stylaa Britches social media page, you need to get involved, ladies. Because
Let me show, brother, let me show you a vibe. You see as an artist, dancehall artist,
Yeah.
well, me stop talking about people, myself. You see, this is how me preach, yeah? You as an artist,
Yeah.
I do this thing, and the music, and the woman them not into your thing.
Yeah.
It don't look good.
You know, look good.
You see me, it's shaky, brother. You see me, I say, because watching and pray that way. If you are keep a dance, you know, and a be a man in your dance, you know. See, I put it that way there, make you more understand. Keep a party,
Yeah.
and no woman no in your dance, no man not forward, and nobody not forward your dance. Because man for the dance buy alcohol have a drink and look and woman and wine up and walk look woman and ray. You as an artist have no woman around you. No, you not there around your brother. You see me, and I want to keep you happy.
It seems like you're in a happy place with the
You see
music
me?
now, because
like,
most of your songs them always happy. That's what I like.
I'm just doing me, brother. Humbleness, do me, do myself, and wait for my time. Because what you know, it's when you rush, I move fast, so you need to see what I go on, because you're on that speed there.
Yeah.
Keep your time and hold your lane.
Stay in your lane.
You see me, I wouldn't like that, but muck.
That's the brand new talk right here. That's Stylaa
You see
Britches.
me? Yeah,
It's
man.
right here at the Upper Live Show. Before we go, can you just tell people how to find you and your music online?
I'm everywhere. On the straight road. I'm not detour. On the straight road. So you find me on Instagram. Stylaa British with 2 A. Stylaa British. If If you know if you spell British, I know what I'm going. Yes, and Stylaa British on Instagram, Stylaa British on Facebook, Stylaa British on Snapchat. If you have people, you know, fast enough people like big up the real fans, them same speed. What else out there again?
YouTube,
Twitter, Stylaa British one, YouTube, Stylaa British, SoundCloud, Stylaa British. Anywhere you want to find me.
and the Stylaa British.
Stylaa British. Yes, and
But ladies,
2A.
is the man with the killer voice, and hopefully he knows my favorite song, and
Yeah, man.
hopefully I can get him to do my favorite song on the Up and Live show.
Which is right.
So stick and stay, don't move. Stylaa British is going to be on set right here. Don't move a muscle. Up and Live show. Thank you, brother.
Yes, man. Up and gunning, brother.
Why?
That's the